Welcome to 25 Teton Road, where Millwood and Alice Drive Schools complements this 3 bedrooms and 2 baths brick home. All new carpet in this home. This home offers a foyer, great room with fireplace and bookcases, kitchen with breakfast bar and large dining area, a large laundry with pantry, and a private rear family room with 2 closets. The master bedroom has 2 closets and a private bath with a large tile walk-in shower. The garage has a side passage door in storage room. Property is 0.48 of an acre, and the backyard is fenced and ready for pets or children. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer has vinyl flooring, measures 10 feet 3 inches by 5 feet 1, and greets you upon entering the front door. The great room is located to the left of the foyer. The great room has new carpet, a wood-burning fireplace, a ceiling fan, built-in bookshelves, and measures 20 feet 10 inches by 13 feet 8. The kitchen has a breakfast bar and large dining area. The dining area of the kitchen measures 15 feet 1 inch by 11 feet 11, and has vinyl flooring. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, a refrigerator, a range, a dishwasher, and measures 12 feet by 9 feet 12 inches. The appliances remain with the home. The family room has new carpet, a ceiling fan, and measures 17 feet 4 inches by 15 feet 4. Bedroom 2 has new carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 11 feet 8 inches by 10 feet. Bedroom 3 has new carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 12 feet by 11 feet 8 inches. The master bedroom has carpet, a ceiling fan, 2 closets, a private bath, and measures 14 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 11.